In this video, we'll give you a step-by-step walkthrough of how our Raydium Volume Booster Bot works. This terminal-based software, available for both Mac and Windows, helps increase token trading volume on Solana's Raydium DEX. Stay tuned to see a live demo of the bot in action, boosting your token's rank and visibility on platforms like Dextools, Dexscreener, and CoinMarketCap. Welcome to Dex Volume Bots, powered by Ranga Technologies. Today, we're excited to showcase our Raydium Volume Booster Bot, a powerful terminal-based tool designed to help boost token trading volume on the Solana Raydium DEX. We'll show you exactly how the bot works on a PC terminal and why it's a game changer for ranking your token on popular platforms. Let's jump into the process of setting up and running the Raydium Volume Booster Bot. We'll walk you through each step, from creating wallets to placing orders and transferring tokens. First, open your terminal and navigate to the bot's project folder. This works seamlessly on both Mac and Windows. Next, create multiple wallets that will be used by the bot. Each wallet will act as an independent trading account to boost volume organically. Now, transfer SOL to each of the newly created wallets using Phantom Wallet. This will fund the wallets and allow the bot to place orders. With the wallets funded, start the bot using the command in the terminal. The bot will now begin placing buy and sell orders with random order sizes and random delays, simulating real market activity across multiple wallets. When you're ready to stop the bot, simply press the * escape key. This will safely halt all operations. After stopping the bot, you can check the balance of each wallet to track the remaining SOL and tokens. Next, transfer any remaining tokens back to your main wallet. This keeps your main account organized and secure. Likewise, transfer any remaining SOL back to your main wallet, ready for future use. You can also adjust the order sizes and speed of the bot, using customizable parameters, allowing you to tailor the bot's performance to your specific needs. Once the bot has been running, you can view the history of buy and sell orders placed across all wallets. This is a great way to analyze the bot's performance and track volume increases. The use of multiple wallets, random order sizes, and random delays is key to making your trading activity look organic. By spreading trades across different wallets with varying parameters, you avoid detection as a bot, making your trading patterns more authentic. By increasing your token's volume with continuous trades across multiple wallets, the Raydium Volume Booster Bot helps improve your ranking on platforms like Dexscreener, Dextools, and CoinMarketCap. Higher volume signals a healthy, active market, attracting more attention from investors. Ready to boost your token's volume on Raydium? Contact Ranga Technologies today for a customized volume bot for your token. Whether it's for Raydium, Moonshot, or Pump.fun, we'll deliver your bot within 10 minutes. Subscribe to our channel for more insights, and let's get your token trending.